Hello and welcome to this special session all about gut health. Today, we'll dive deep into one of the most fascinating and essential aspects of our overall health, the gut microbiome. If you've been curious about how your gut affects everything from your digestion to your mental health, you're in the right place. We'll explore the foods you should be eating, habits you should adopt, and a comprehensive look at how to improve your gut microbiome for long-term well-being. Let's get started. Before we jump into the foods and habits, let's understand what the gut microbiome actually is. The gut microbiome refers to the trillions of microorganisms, bacteria, viruses, fungi, and more, living inside your intestines. These microorganisms play a huge role in digestion, immune function, and even brain health. Imagine your gut as a bustling community, where the good bacteria are working hard to keep everything balanced, while the bad bacteria need to be kept in check. How do we nurture this microbial community? That's what we'll explore in today's session. Now, let's dive into the science behind gut health. Research shows that your gut doesn't just break down food, it communicates with your brain through the gut-brain axis. This bidirectional communication means your gut health can influence mental health conditions like anxiety and depression. Moreover, gut bacteria help in producing essential vitamins like vitamin K and short-chain fatty acids, which are critical for the health of the colon and immune system. Fun fact, did you know that 70% of your immune system resides in your gut? That's why keeping your gut in good shape is essential for warding off diseases. Let's get into what everyone is most curious about, the best foods to improve gut health. Incorporating these into your daily diet can make a big difference. First, fermented foods. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha are rich in probiotics, which introduce beneficial bacteria into your gut. Probiotics help balance the microbial environment, making sure the good bacteria outweigh the bad. Second, prebiotic-rich foods. Think of prebiotics as the food that feeds your good gut bacteria. Foods like garlic, onions, bananas, asparagus, and oats are rich in prebiotic fiber, helping your gut flora thrive. Third, fiber-rich foods. Fiber is essential for gut health, as it helps promote regular bowel movements and prevents constipation. Whole grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables are loaded with fiber. Don't forget leafy greens like spinach and kale. They're rich in both fiber and nutrients that nourish your gut. 4. Polyphenol-rich foods. Polyphenols are powerful antioxidants found in foods like dark chocolate, berries, green tea, and red wine, in moderation. These compounds feed healthy gut bacteria and help reduce inflammation. 5. Omega-3-rich foods. Oily fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can reduce gut inflammation. Flax seeds and chia seeds are great plant-based sources as well. Foods to avoid for better gut health. While there are foods that nurture your gut, some can harm it. Here are the foods to avoid if you want to keep your microbiome healthy. First, highly processed foods are often packed with artificial additives, preservatives, and refined sugars, which can disrupt your gut microbiome. These foods can feed harmful bacteria and lead to an imbalance. Second, artificial sweeteners. Studies suggest that artificial sweeteners like aspartame and saccharin can negatively impact gut bacteria, potentially leading to glucose intolerance and metabolic issues. Third, excessive alcohol. While moderate amounts of red wine can be beneficial due to its polyphenols, excessive alcohol consumption can damage the gut lining and disrupt the balance of bacteria. Now that we've covered the foods, let's talk about lifestyle habits that can greatly impact your gut health. Here are 5 habits to adopt for a healthier gut. First, manage stress. Chronic stress can negatively affect your gut health. Practicing mindfulness, meditation, and deep breathing exercises can help lower stress levels, promoting a balanced gut. Second, get enough sleep. Sleep is crucial for overall health, including your gut. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night to give your body and your gut the time it needs to repair and rejuvenate. Third, exercise regularly. Moderate, regular exercise can help promote gut motility, which keeps things moving in your digestive system. Activities like walking, yoga, and strength training are great for your gut. 4. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for digestion and overall gut function. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day, as dehydration can slow digestion and lead to constipation. 5. Avoid overusing antibiotics. While antibiotics are necessary in some cases, overuse can kill both bad and good bacteria in your gut. Always use them responsibly and consult a doctor if you have concerns. Let's move to the most interesting part: is common gut health myths debunked? Let's clear up some common misconceptions about gut health. Myth 1. Probiotics alone can fix your gut. Probiotics are helpful, but they aren't a cure-all. A healthy diet rich in prebiotics, fiber, and whole foods is also necessary to maintain a balanced microbiome. Myth 2. All fermented foods are probiotic. Not all fermented foods contain live cultures. For example, store-bought sauerkraut is often pasteurized, which kills the beneficial bacteria. Myth 3. You need to avoid all carbs for gut health. Not true. Complex carbohydrates, particularly those high in fiber, actually feed the good bacteria in your gut. To wrap things up, let's create a gut-friendly meal plan you can incorporate into your daily routine. This will focus on foods that nourish your gut microbiome and support overall digestion. First, breakfast. Start with a bowl of oatmeal topped with chia seeds, a dollop of kefir, and fresh berries for a fiber and probiotic boost. Then, lunch. A salad filled with leafy greens, onions, and grilled chicken, dressed with olive oil, lemon, and a bit of apple cider vinegar. Next, snack. Try a small serving of mixed nuts and a kombucha to keep your energy levels stable and your gut healthy. Last, dinner. Grilled salmon with a side of roasted vegetables like asparagus and Brussels sprouts, served with a small helping of quinoa. By incorporating a variety of fiber-rich, prebiotic, and probiotic foods into your diet, you'll give your gut the love and care it needs to function at its best. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to improving your gut health with the right foods and habits. Remember, gut health is a journey, and the small changes you make today can lead to big improvements in your overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone you know who's looking to improve their health from the inside out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.